This is a remodeling plan that I did on a home in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And this is an X9, that's the reason I picked it. You can see I've got shadows on. Well, in an active camera, you can open the dialog there. I left clicked on that and show shadows. And reflections, I have that turned off. I could turn it on and bloom if I wanted to. Yeah, okay, changed a little bit. The other place is in X9 is you go over to edit, default settings, camera, general camera, and show shadows. There's a checkbox for that for the different camera types. Okay, and I don't think there's anything under rendering techniques. No, not particularly. Yeah. Ray trace. Of course, there's always shadows in ray trace. I don't see anything here. And there's no shadow settings here. Okay, so that's all the camera defaults. Let's go over to edit preferences and see if there's anything. I don't see anything. There's no other than render, but that's more your video card and other things like that. Okay, that's correct. Yeah, that's about it. And let's see, go into the 3D menu. Trying to see if there's anywhere else. That's toggle sunlight. Yeah, that's what that does. There's still shadows there. They're just not as okay. Toggle sunlight back on. And I guess the only other thing I can think of is, let's go over here to 3D. And where is that thing? I'll just go to line tools. I think it's under line tools. Yeah, there it goes. There's a sun angle. And this allows you to set up the latitude and longitude of where the structure is. This is set for Austin, Texas, but nevertheless, and it's set for today. Let's change that to nice long shadows, 6 p.m. And you can see the sun for Austin is pointing that direction, so our shadows didn't change a bit. Okay, I think that's let's see. Go to adjust sunlight. Yeah, use sun angle. Okay, it was just following the generic sun. Now that long shadows are all over here, go back to plan view. Open that. There it is. We'll change it to 2 p.m. See how the angle changed? So the shadows will then go in that direction, unless you go over to here to 3D lighting, adjust sunlight, and you can go to generic sun, and the shadows are back over here, or use sun angle. You have quite a bit of control, and if you're not getting shadows the usual way, then perhaps it's time to upgrade your or update, excuse me, your drivers on your video card. Perhaps it's not functioning properly, but I got a very good video card and it functions properly, and you can see it responds to what I tell it to do. So anyway, I think that's the full rundown on whether shadow should be there or not. And I hope this helps you. Thank you.